My name is Mark Shank, and I lead the digital architecture practice at KPMG. Today, I'm here to talk to you about how the cloud will enable transformative change in companies all across our economy. Cloud smart organizations realize that the cloud is going to change their business fundamentally, and they position themselves and their organization accordingly to be able to capitalize on that change. So this really starts at the C-suite, starts at the executive level. They have to lead their organization to break down the silos that they've built up over the years and create horizontal teams that will be product, experience, and customer focused. Those horizontal teams are going to be key to realizing the speed that is enabled by the cloud. Automation is going to drive your quality. Automation is going to drive your speed and enable your organization to not be so afraid of failure. And finally, these organizations understand the unlocked potential of their data. I was talking to a Fortune 100 CIO very recently, and they talked about how 80% of their data is unstructured and 95% of their analysis is done on the structured data. They're leaving so much information on the table, so many insights, so many things that they might be doing differently, and the cloud gives them access to all of that. Its connection into IT is really born out of one of necessity. If you're going to move very quickly, you have to operate as one team. Fundamentally, you can't have these stage gates where things get thrown over the wall and a team operates on it and then throws it over the wall to the next team. So your security, your ops, your any kind of compliance function that you have, your design and your business team, all of those have to be operating within a single 2-week sprint lifecycle. They all need to be operating with a suite of tests that validate for them and take that human out of the loop so that the people on the team can focus on innovation and what's next. The number one thing that companies need to do to realize the transformative effect of the cloud is know that they have a single strategy. They do not have an IT strategy or business strategy. They just have a strategy which is inclusive of their technology goals and their business goals. These things are completely intertwined. The other thing they need to be able to do is realize that they are building capability and not product. That might be really counterintuitive for some to realize, but people over-index on the product in MVP. What they really need to focus on is the capability that they're building as an organization. Then they're able to adapt their product. They're able to change it and respond to their customer needs very fast and be able to be leaders in the market.